Hey guys, for today's video, I learned of a new updo hack and I'm gonna try it for you. So let's go ahead and get started. I don't know where you're at right now, but it is cold here and it literally snowed last night and I am over it. So let me turn around and show you my typical updo that I would do. It is so easy. I've showed this on my channel before, I think. So the updo hack I'm gonna show you, it's kind of similar to this, but not really. So for my normal updo, I would just put my hair into a ponytail. Take my hair tie, wrap it around my hair once, twice, and then on the last time, just pull my hair tie over my ponytail a little bit so it forms a small bun like this. You do not want a droopy, sloppy bun. I recently switched to my Kitsch no snag elastics. Usually I just use Walgreens, but I switched. I picked these up at Ulta like 2 months ago and I've been really liking them. All right, with the ends hanging out, I'm just going to split them into two. Twist them, bring them up over the bun, tie it with my clear elastic. It's okay if you have ends hanging out like I do. And then you just stick your fingers through, turn it, and then pull that opening over your bun like that. And then you just want to tighten the ends. So if you don't have ends hanging out like I do, obviously you don't need to worry about this next step, but I do, so I gotta do something with them. I'm just gonna twist them and bring them over my bun. You can bring them over low, you can bring them over high. So I'm gonna do it just across right here. Like that. Just gonna stick it in. And then with the ends, I just kind of tuck them up underneath. And I'm just gonna, boom, like that. So then this is when I just kind of pinch it and pull it. Then with the tips of my nails, do you guys like my nails? I just did them with like a gel kit. I think they turned out cute. But you just pinch and pull, pinch and pull, pinch and pull. And this gives you so much texture. And you just want to pull little tiny pieces of hair, like that, all the way around your head until you are happy. Pull some hair out. And then this would be my updo that I typically do. So we're gonna compare my updo to the updo hack. So sorry if you hear my kids screaming in the background, but let me do a 360.
Hi.
Hi. Say, I need a haircut.
No. No, I don't need a haircut.
Here's your bar.
Oh,
you got your brother a bar?
yes.
Okay. Now you have to let mommy film, okay? Say bye.
Bye.
So for the updo hack, all you want to do is put your hair back into a ponytail and make sure you tie it with hair tie, elastic, whatever you have. So then you're going to go a couple inches down from that ponytail and tie off another section. So I'm going to go down probably, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, maybe that's like 4 inches, like that, and just tie a section off. Then with the ends hanging out, you're just gonna split them into two. So then what you're gonna do with your ends at the bottom, split into two, and you're basically just gonna kind of bring your ends up over your ponytail, like that, and you're gonna tie them. Like that. Do the same steps as we did with the first one. We're gonna twist it so it creates an opening and bring that over our bun. And then we're going to tighten it. I'm just going to twist my ends. And again, you can bring it up high like that, or you can do it down low. I'm gonna do it low since that's what I did with the first one. I'm just gonna twist around my finger and stretch it across the bun, like that. And bobby pin. Pinch it and pull it. And I feel like it gives my bun right here, it makes it a little bit like firmer so it's not like as droopy. So maybe if you're someone that gets a droopy bun when you do this updo, maybe try this way, I don't know. But I'm just gonna pinch and pull up at the top like I did with the first one to give myself some texture. Personally, I like my front pieces to have a little bit of curl to them. I hate when my bangs are straight like this, but that's okay. That's okay. We're just gonna do that for today. So I'm gonna do 360 and I'm gonna put these updos up side by side so you can see which one you like better. So that is it. That is the video. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below. 1 or 2. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.